Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Bradley number 9119. This is a single robe hook in a bright chrome finish. Substantial weight. This weighs, well, at least it does with its mounting plate and its screws, about 9/10 of a pound. It's a very substantial piece of hardware. Brass construction with a polished chrome finish. Let's go over the dimensions. There is a link below this video to a document called Technical Data Sheet, and that's going to give, it's going to give the dimensions and then just a little bit of additional information. 3-inch overall base diameter, overall projection 3 1/8. That is indeed correct. Okay. Now that wall plate, substantial piece of hardware there as well. That's going to be attached to the wall. Bradley's going to get you started with a couple of screws. So probably not everything that you're going to need, but they'll get you started. That wall plate's going to go onto the wall. This model features these 3 set screws, as you can see in the base. You're going to back those out. You're going to get this placed over your wall plate and then tighten those set screws down, and then your installation is complete. Substantial piece of hardware. You're going to use 12 gauge steel is what this is. Also available in a satin chrome finish. Pardon me. That's going to be a, what do they call that? They call that they do call it satin chrome, as a matter of fact, and that would be the -81. So it would be a 9119-81. Now, this piece of hardware it's impressive. As soon as you see it, it's just a rope hook, but it's intended for heavy-duty applications, ones you might see in commercial truck stops, maybe not polished but satin, where there's a lot of volume. You know, the large, Interstate 80 sort of truck stops, where common carrier drivers can spend the night kind of place. Hospitals, places of very high volume. And I'm almost 100% impressed with the quality of the Bradley material and the value that you get for the dollar. Seeing the quality of this, how heavy it is in your hand, the ability that you get to understand that this is a very well heavy-duty made piece of hardware, puts me in a position to recommend that you consider Bradley, not only for replacement sort of material or small construction projects, but you might be at a hospital and you might be building an entire wing. I would strongly recommend that you take a very long and hard look at Bradley, check the quality of the material, speak to the very knowledgeable reps, and get some samples and stress test the stuff for yourself. It stands on its own, is the bottom line. If you have any questions on the Bradley 9119, bright chrome, commercial, heavy-duty, single robe hook, or any other Bradley product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.